Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to turn on and how to turn off recording while using front camera while we are record our screen in Realme 14x phone. So first let's go to settings. Then in settings we need to open accessibility and convenience. Then we need to scroll down to screen recording options. And here we have our screen recording options with frame rates, and we are looking for, here it is, record front camera video. So record video with the front camera when taking a screen recording, so a vlog of sorts. So we can enable this option right here, and we can disable it using the same switch. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you.